Manda wa Boris Lare sub-county na kuzerete kare.
Asubuhi tumepata report kutoka kwa Gerald Karangwi ambaye aliripoti ya kwamba mtoto yake ambaye anaitwa Benjamin Kirinya ambaye ako na miaka 26 aliweza kuuawa na akatupwa kando ya barabara karibu na Murengeni Primary School, ambaye pia ni anaishi hapa Lare, na polisi waliweza kufika hapo na tukakonfirm ya kwamba kweli huyo kijana aliuawa.
Kirende kira kisumirete na kimako kozera bena bobwa kuwa orera ethe wa mututigi Gerald Ntarangwe kumanturene antwa moti arombete osonkoni kubwethekana mpoe nikenda kumenya ni baubongo babwethitio nyumobo
no agitokwa na mtu uyu ekataka murage mbere barabara ni
au karatake murega na kora gino
ekate murena nto tipo tuko na accident ekata mta attack nanto even though otemda ale within no amenya ba wakale kangira vungwa mtoto kwa nane murage neno icio nyinge to tendeni ya ntore alale
bakari mutanoti ya na dia bigibigi ede bigibigi ya no etare ke kata na sunia antu bangi dereva
mtu taka te accident eu mtu gate kina na tema wewe gate mi na tu nyo interview birara bimbo
nzakane kwa ende antu abwe getendo kuba kuchulukwa bakagura kwa kakea no ntutako kumebi tabaya tako tu akayete ndo muntu karadi yete man otinki baba kwa joba
Ospindike mandi ne wete osonkoni ni bwambirerete kenda bamenya ko muka ikuke na baeka karibu kwana na batetekeria kuona enyange bakithangikia akari kitheri
na mwili wake umepelekwa Maua Hospital Mortuary, ambaye kwa sasa tumeanza uchunguzi. Tunataka kujua nani muuaji wa huyo kijana. Ya pili, tunataka kujua ni sababu gani huyu kijana aliuawa. Na wacha niseme ya kwamba ni ripoti ambazo si nzuri, but nataka kuhakikishia wananchi ya kwamba tuko na tutaendelea kufanya patrols hizo area, na kitu kama hicho akitawahi fanyika tena. Wahalifu hatutawapatia nafasi katika Igembe North Sub County. Tutafanya juu chini. Wale watu wapenda amani ambao ni residents wa Igembe North wataendelea kukaa na amani.
Mwere wa mutotigi ne juiketwe nyumba ya kusibitari ne Nyambene level 4. Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Lare Igembe North, Mbeta Marion Karugi wa KINYUA.
Rukirira narua mutongeri wa mugongo jwa nthiguru ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto nekite muchemanio na bunge ba murengo jwa Jubilee kiri mwerekera jwa gutigira ibakurikithio tungata ndene matura mwana bunge baraba chumirite kiri muchemanio juju ne mubunge wa Igembe Central no Dankili no Imenti South no Shadrack Mwiti.
Very good. Riji. Yes. Salama. Very good. Okay, very good. So I think now we have the framework to appoint the next selection panel so that we can have another commission to preside over the things that are related with matters, boundaries review and the next election, with all the attendant issues around our electoral processes.
Nteto inge na ndi nkuchano gatigati karimi bakiwanda ke mutue amwe na atongire bao ichietite na mbere kurura muta nyuma ya arimi bakwithirwa bakigo bate kumenya na kigina kiao gigweta arana ndi boretie gavana wa kaunti Cecily Mbarire gutonyera ritamwaniki atariria.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Embu niwe Cecily Mbarire ni ugete thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu ni gukorwa ikirugamirira uthuthuria wa mathabu na utongoria wa kiganda gia kaua kia Murwe na varia arimi matagukorwa makirivua wanari kindu. Ino ni kurumirira ngucanio iria ikoretwo kigandari giki karigati ga utongoria wa kiganda giki na arimi gwa kavinda ka miaka iri riu.
Betekerie ndete forensic audit tweke forensic audit tuonde ti mathapu ma Murwe njoke ni organize to audit ma Mila na nyita mathapu mau na audit forensic audit te mathapu matheri ni kuroria nginya assets na liabilities processes ni ciatumirwe what are the challenges ya nigetha nginya tu proposal wara tu ko improve management.
Varia arimi marauga kuri na uvotekekanu wa ukorwa utongoria wa kiganda giki utumirite mbia ciao nae gukorwa matari na waragania utongoria ari wa kiganda giki na varia engi ao aria matari na kaua kengi maikitwe nja ya micemanio iria mivango ya kiganda giki ithondekagirwa.
Secondo tocio gatoretagirwo ringi bateresa twathi gwikira migunda ri tukakoroga ni mathiga matira tutumuka twathi gwikira ringi akorwo ni ndawa tene iretagwa ya red oxide ugakoraga ringi ndiratutumuka no wathi kuria kiureta kugakora we expelled kana ukaigwa na kunja. Undu wa mwisho ni atiriri Murwe ni a members andu aya mego kumbereka tumathuraga tigwa lakini ni kiria kurandikanwa gutakoragwa paikwina ati interviews kana gukandirirwa ati ni turandikwa na twi mwana ni tutweragwa ni twatongoria rucio
bare na ovoro wa store yo ndimwe gwekegwa twani mundu store kwagiro no gukora kwina farm inputs wakora ni fertilizer wakora ni lime na indo iria cingi ciothe tugira thini wa store but nuona andu amwe mabesa wambia in cash and a lot of money. Koguo ni tukwenda uvoro wa gucimbwa thini wa store yetu
bairo iria twina cio muthi irauga misamanio ya society teno ni misamanie 12 na emergency misamanie 3 igauka misamanio 15 wa mwaka chairman yathondeka more than 60 meetings ukarigwa misamanio engire bagwa na ndui
guku mwenegiti wa kiganda giki niwe Muriuki Maruku akiugaga ati uria utai mweganiru na utongoria wake akorwe akithengutia kiganda giki kuona ke gutiri mavitia ekite
ando amurwe okegwa wega gutonya thiini wa organization ni viri na kuma ni viri riu okegwa kuronyenda kuthie ku ongithie society ongeganira ukinathie kuo you are free to do it.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Tugitana mbere na Nteto ingi na ndi aciari ni boretwo gutigira ibakujukia kanya gukarana na bao ndira bari baba ni kenda kwithona kagita gake gakuba menya na nkuruki kwitho baki baritana mantu ja mega jaja komba gubatethia uturone. Anthony Kabenya gatutarire.
I take this chance to speak about issues which are affecting our churches today, our families today, and our nation. And me as apostle and the bishop of Jesus Teaching Ministry, I have to speak to the Christians across the world and the people across the world, including Kenya. And I want most specifically to talk about the many killings which are happening in Kisii. We are living in a time when there's a lot of stress in families because of the economy and because of the challenges we are facing in families, especially about marriage. Given the fact that in the olden days, we used to have parents who used to have enough time to teach their children on how to live in a family and on how to make marriages succeed. But because nowadays the world has changed, you find that parents are too busy doing their own things, and some even appear at home only once in a week because of the kind of work they are doing. So it is my advice to all parents, even me, I'm a parent, take time with your children. what we are seeing in Kisii today is something that has been built time over time. So we need to end this cycle of killings by educating and training our children in the way of the Lord, so that when they grow up, they will not depart from it. What we are seeing today is because of the kind of products people are.
Mwariro gwatirite thumbi ya Mrs Universe Kenya no Milka Mukamino ugite rwangi ruru nithora rugichitanira kenda gukuria bie wa byantu babe thimiturire ne are aritia mambura jarajara bangani twene uro gwatirite thumbi ya uthongi kaunti-ini ya Tharaka Nithi.
Give it up for mashindano ma urembo kia Tharaka Nithi Talent Explore kiruthiritwe hoteli-ini ya Africana Gardens Ntere Chandagani Chuka. Mugeni wa gitejo ari Mrs Universe Kenya Milka Mukamikagai, ara Mrs Universe Nairobi Jacinta Wangechi kinyawe aitigite kiatho giku. Mbeo mbithi bona kanyaga guchindana iwangoni mwanya bia urembo Wini na Binge Kathumba. Mukami na theterete industry no ya urembo kumaniana ngutu ati ni timagambe mbithi bakagya na wagindoni kumaniana ekarikare aruare agikuo kia Edwin Chiloba ora imuntu murume aguritwe imuntu murume gungi. Augite industry no ya urembo ni thomithagia Anthony Imbega na kugwatira michie. Noe Mrs Universe wa kaunti ya Nairobi Jacinta Wangechi na ringithanite kiatho giki na birabaruthaga ni ya kaunti ya Nairobi.
Nimependezwa sana na kuona the huge number ya youths wale wako huku compared to Nairobi. Nimeona huge difference jua huku unaona the passion that they have, and like in Nairobi mahali most of us as parents tunapush watoto wafanye something hata kama hawataki, ni sisi wenyewe tunachagua.
Kiatho kirake banganitwe ni Edith Muthoni uranwe Mrs Universe wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi.
I came up with this event, the Tharaka Nithi Talent Explore, because it's my passion to see young people grow, be mentored, be nurtured. So coming up with talent shows is a way of bringing young people and kids together, and even the old people, so that we may bring in some values in the society. We tell them what to do and what not to do.
Baraba chindanite kiri wango mwanya ibapeto biewa anto arume bakiura gwa kinyabo baibu magirie kwa wingi biathoni tabibi.
Na I am out of words, lakini nashukuru Mungu kabisa. Hiyo shini itanisaidia kutap into talents ziko huko Tharaka Nithi. There are so many talents. Kuna unapata mtu atakona hana confidence, akona talanta lakini hana mtu wa kumsukuma.
Turnout imekuwa sawa, and then the kids have done an awesome job. Despite the fact that bado tuko na challenge ya watoto, that is the male side. Vijana bado wanaume hawatokei kwa training, na that is a contest.
Sisi kama wazazi wacha tu encourage our children, no matter what wanataka kufanya, let's support them.
Nkiripotera Weru weekendi kumagichiko bunge ya Chuka Egamba Ng'ombe Mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.
Nkatha ya munini wa Rais Noel Dorcas Arigathi nethiritwo agitariria obisi yawe gachitanire gutigira ni gutegera kana gakaiji matwene aritariria kana gakaiji kethiritwo gakiuriria muno methone ja Kenya na no mwanka kagwatwo njara kenda kinya kogokira.
I remember you are concerned about the boy child, and I am committed to work with you. Hiyo maneno ya vijana wale ambao mnaona wamepotoka, wa hawana direction, hawana nini, we are losing a generation. Tunapoteza uzao mzima. Kwa hivyo sisi tuko na imani, tutasimama na Pastor Dorcas na Rigathi Gachagua na William Samoei Ruto na Mama Rachel. That is a team that is God sent for this country.
So I am a mother of the boy child, the widow, the orphan, and the clergy. In the boy child, I see a future, and I know that if you want to change a country, you can only change if you have men on board. I know in the church we are very much now like this one. I'm very happy because God said, male and female, I created them. He did not create the female alone and did not create the man alone. And therefore, male and female, he created, he God. He blessed them and told them to have dominion. So when you leave to one and leave another, that is not the principle of God. And therefore, you will find the family is unstable because you have one who is down and another one who is up.
Kaza cha mwanya kirigwe mutegeri tanambere kurumira Weru Thaa Mugwanja ni nchokerete nyume kagita ati kuraja na ati tonkuruke.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please?
Kuma guciaro kaga kenke kaije keneja Weru TV itudhuruto twikura na gutambaja rungo ni untubwako wo mutegeri wetu irenjire mwe gutigira itukugukinyira go mutegeri na njera cyonde nande no wone Weru TV kiri signet na pang free to air StarTimes channel 440 Zuku channel 39 Go TV channel 96 na nande turikiri DSTV channel 368 ibwega ni untubwako tutikia Weru TV rumuri rwa Amero.
Kithirinya form 4 by then ngeta koithe kiro kia form 4 ndarite nja the whole term yonde imika ndaikire history nonto yari ndetankare mwenyantu baka makanonto uri ile thinera no kwenda inyate ara umete no kwenda kwa na kento nonto kuba baterete ba chukuru pregnancy kwetu sajani dina first year ndi chukuru but at last ba mpasa suspension ya 2 years Tiro ndaira Kenya. Wachoka Kenya. Ukaenda kunyilia mtu umurana karenda kumenya bibi ongwa birea. Ukaenda kumunyilia karau ari. Unajua sasa na society watu watasema nini? You know, yarini ire kura na tanto bakawanja. You see the family urereri buroreri ujayenda utaeta ntira indhuku na tanto betete kuwa. Nje kudharuka.
Nandi no wikire ntumirie kuya muchemanio kiatho kana ntubwa gitumio kwenda bukinyira mwingi amona ntumiri cha mathiko kiri Kameme ka Weru FM 96.4 ntuko chionde na chiringi 15 akio kiugo ntumirie ku no urete studio cha Weru FM kirogine Meru mbere ya thaa 11 chiogoro ntuko chionde kana oringe na mbeji 0700 117026 no gatetheka ntumirije kathoma gwa themo chiogoro ontuko ni bwega no ntubagwite na mbere gutugwata mbaru ni batwe Weru bwaku atugukinyirie ntumwe kwari okwende kinya Weru FM 96.4 rumuri rwa Amero.
Uraigwa nkume ya mubango jothi Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jura gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera ndigiri mwanya cha masters nthigurune ya Amerika. Kuigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya B plane gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Uchiandikithia riongera mutandao jotu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Ofisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turingethi mukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program, empowering Kenyan students.